Hello and welcome back to the channel. Working on a family member's car again. It's the same iX35 I serviced a while ago. Over the past couple of weeks the gears have become a bit sticky, like trying to get in now and then. We spoke to Hyundai. Hyundai said we must use the specific oil, so we ordered the oil from them, and they said we must also use an additive. So I got the Liqui Moly Gearbox Oil Additive. I'll show you now. And yeah, we're going to give it a try, see how that goes. It was fairly inexpensive compared to the alternative, which Hyundai said is pulling the gearbox out and having a look inside from there. So I thought, let's try do the oil change first, see if that solves the problem. If it doesn't, then we have to go the route of taking gearbox out. I'm going to jack the car up, put on all 4 trestles so that the car is level, and then I'll show you underneath and we'll get started. I'm not sure if it's going to do it now, but nah, there we go. It doesn't do it now, but often you struggle a little bit to get the gears in. It's not as smooth as it should be, or as it used to be. So yeah, decided to try and do the gearbox oil service before we try anything else. Okay, I've got the car up on all 4 jack stands and it's level. So now we can climb underneath and check what tools we need to open the gearbox fill and drain. As I always do to protect my driveway, I want to lay some paper down underneath the car, so if I mess any oil, it doesn't go on my paving bricks. Looks like to get to the drain plug and to make sure I don't mess oil on everything, I'm gonna have to take this under tray out, which is at the back there. There's one over there and a couple in the front. There's a couple plastic clips on the front here. And then it looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 13 bolts to get it out. It's actually a 12, not a 13. The gearbox we've got is the M6C F4 two-wheel drive. Now, some of the forums and videos show that the full plug is on the front here. There is no full plugs on the front of this gearbox. The only spot that I can see what I think is a full plug is going to be that one over there, because that plug looks identical to that one, the drain plug. So I'm quite certain that is our full plug, but I'll measure, because that gearbox oil pump of mine has a liter marking, so I'll measure. These gearboxes take 1.9 liters, so I'll make sure I get at least 1.9 liters in. Quick tip: before you loosen the drain plug and drain your oil out, loosen your full plug to make sure that it's not seized and that you're actually going to be able to get oil back in the gearbox. So yeah, loosen full plug first. Okay, full plug loose. Yep, loosen the drain plug now. Oi. I've loosened the drain plug. That is loose. I'm going to pull that full plug out. Hopefully no oil comes out. So that it doesn't like glug glug Okay, so oil is definitely coming out of full plug. Okay, let's leave that to drain. This is the oil that Hyundai recommend we use. It's Castrol. It's a 75W-85. Yeah, like I said, that's what they recommended, and they also said additive. So I ordered the Liqui Moly ProLine gear oil additive. Apparently this stuff's really, really good. Hopefully that solves our problems. To fill the gearbox, I'm going to use my Adendorff transmission oil filling pump thing. There's the part code. It's actually quite cool. It's got a little fill port. You've got your pipe that runs to the fill hole, and then you've got a pump or pump lever. So I think I'm going to start with putting 1 liter of oil of the gearbox oil in first. Hopefully I don't mess, because this stuff stinks. Okay, then I'm going to add the gearbox oil additive, so it mixes in before I add the second liter. The stuff's like black, or actually like a really dark grey. I guess I'm just gonna go for it. Got about 100 odd mils left in here, so I'm gonna close this off, give it a shake. Hopefully that stuff will mix. We'll see, and then we can pump it into the car. The oil has stopped dripping, so I can put the plug back in. I've got new aluminium crush washers on both, obviously the drain plug and the full plug. So I'm going to put the drain plug back in, and then I'm going to clean this area with brake and part cleaner, and then we can fill it up. Before I get my hair and clothes full of this oil, I'm just going to clean up here quickly, and then I'll torque that full plug, clean up. Okay, the drain plug's in. According to Google and this gearbox code M6CF4, the torque spec for the drain plug is 60 newtons. So I'm going to torque that up quickly. Now I can put my little pipe. Let me rephrase that. Now I can put my gearbox pump oil filler pipe into the hole and start pumping some oil in. Okay, I'm going to open the valve here. There we go. Now I come across here. Sorry for the grunts and groans. And just pump gotta do that, and then now I pump. Okay, there we go, you can see it's pumping. Start filling the gearbox, and I just keep doing that until it overflows. There, it's pumping, and I just keep doing that until the gearbox overflows. There you can see it's dripping, so that means we are full. Let's just try to get that in quickly. So we don't lose too much. There we go. Okay. Full plug is torqued. Now I can clean up all this messed oil. Okay, it's nice and clean now. I can put the under tray back on. Now that it's clean and everything's torqued under there, let's get the under tray back in. That's sorted. Before I take it down off the trestles, I'm going to start it and let it idle through the gears, just to get some of that oil circulating through the gearbox before we put the gearbox under any load. Let's do that quickly. That's first gear. Just ignore the beeping. Second gear. Third gear. Fourth gear. I'm not going to go through the others, it seems fine. So let's take it off the trestles. She's back on all four wheels. Let's take it for a spin, see how it feels. It seems to be shifting into gears quite easily. Hasn't done the same thing as it did earlier. I have been driving it around for a bit now and feels lacquer. Feels nice and smooth, so hopefully that's the problem solved. Wasn't too badly priced. I think the gearbox oils were about 270 rand or 260 rand a litre, and that Liqui Moly additive was 400 and something odd rand. So we're in just under 1,000 rand for this. So yeah, let's see. We'll give it a couple of weeks. I'll hear back from family if the problem is sorted. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching the video all the way to the end. Really do appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, please consider liking and subscribing. And as always, leave me your thoughts in the comment section below. Until the next video.